Hi, my name is Sam Ellis. Some people call me Coach Clarity. Some people call me the Glue Man. I'll tell you a little about that story later, but I'm a retired asphalt contractor. Let me tell you about the busiest asphalt contractor I've met who still doesn't have money. Here's the story. He worked every week, crew moving, lots getting paid. From the outside, it looked successful, right? But behind the scenes, he was stressed. Bills stacking up, taxes coming in, no cushion. Not because he was lazy, not because he didn't know asphalt, because he never slowed down long enough to see where the money was going. Money was moving, but none of it was staying. Here's a lesson. Hard work without clarity doesn't create profit. It creates exhaustion. If you're busy but unsure where your money is going, start with clarity diagnostic session. Links in the comment. Clarity before growth.